So we have a 2021 Ford Transit Custom, 280 limited, 130 brake horsepower with a 6-speed manual transmission. Being the limited model, the van has lots and lots of extras, including fully colour-coded exterior, alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. As you can see, it's got a side loading door. Van is very tidy, very straight. It's a low mileage van with 65,000 miles from new, one previous keeper. You have your 12 volt and USB ×2, passenger airbag, heated seats, heated windscreen, air conditioning. You have your LCD display screen, 6-speed manual transmission, traction control and driver modes, and button for your parking sensors. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Automatic headlights, electric windows, electric mirrors. 65,000 miles from new, 3-seater van. Price today at £15,000 with no VAT. Important to realise that this van has no VAT added to the price. One of the best colours available for one of these vans. Get in touch.